Hello everyone, I'm Esther from University of Sumatera Utara. In this video, I'm gonna make a presentation for the subject Introduction to the Linguistic 2. And the title of my presentation is Sociolinguistics. And in this Sociolinguistics, I will explain about the definition of sociolinguistics, the scope of sociolinguistics, and the function of the sociolinguistics. What is sociolinguistics? Actually, sociolinguistics can divide into two words. That is language and society. Society is the users of language. They have a deep relationship. Sociolinguistics studies the ways in which language interacts with society. Sociolinguistics consists of two words. That is socio, that means social and related to society, and the linguistic, that means the science of language. According to Yule, one of the experts from linguistics, he said that sociolinguistics is the study which focuses on language, which is dealing with social and cultural phenomena in the society. So we can conclude that sociolinguistics is a study of society and the phenomena that related to the society as the users of the language. Scope of sociolinguistics. Number 1 is language and gender. Number 2 is language varieties. And number 3 is language change. Let's discuss one by one. Number 1 is language and gender. Language and gender refers to the relationship between the language of male and female. Gender difference is not only a reflection of the speeches between male and female, but also a reflection of their different living styles and attitudes. Men and women do speak a different language. They found that the language used more by women was interpersonally warmer and more compassionate and polite, whereas that used more by men was colder, more hostile, and impersonal. Number 2 is language varieties. Language varies from region to region, class to class, profession to profession, person to person, and even situation to situation. Sociolinguistic terms describe this variation in language with reference to their relationship with society. There are 6 major language varieties will be discussed, namely Idyllic, Register, Dioglasia, Pidgin, Lingua Franca, and Esperanto. Number 3 is language change. Language change is the phenomenon by which permanent alterations are made in the features and the use of a language over time. All natural language change and language change affects all areas of language use. Types of language change include sound change, lexical change, semantic change, and syntactic change. Language changes for several reasons. First, it changes because the needs of its speakers change. New technologies, new products, new experience require new words to refer to them clearly and efficiently. Another reason for change is that no two people have had exactly the same language experience. The function of sociolinguistics. The function of the sociolinguistic is to provide the learners with the appropriate rules of speaking, writing, and raise their sociolinguistic awareness. That's to say, the awareness of the social-cultural difference across languages. That's all about my presentation. Thank you for your attention.